Good evening, everybody. Today is Sunday. We are here for a separate topic. The Tata Motor is back in track. Now we look into, is really worst over? 20% sales, total sales of JLR comes from China, and in February 2020, 85% of sales were down in China. But now they have resumed three-fourths of their budgeted sales, three-fourths of their targeted sales. They have started production for, and the remaining part, the remaining 80%, 40% among remaining comes from US. US is going to lift their lockdown, and we hope they will start resuming their production there, and remaining 20 to 25% JLR sales comes from UK. So can Tata Motors be down by 60% because of these issues? Production not resumed? No, I don't think so. And other 20% comes from rest of the part of the globe. Fitch rated minus BB because of 50% drop in operating profit of Tata Motors. But still I say 50% value is remaining, but from the top of it, that is 52 weeks high 202, we are down almost about 60%. And if we look at 52 weeks low, it is 63, and now it is trading at 84, means if I look at the ceiling, 135% upside potential is still left. And one more thing I would like to include, Tata Group has donated 1500 crore. It's not a matter of joke, for COVID-19, and it's a cash rich company. And recently Tata Motor also withdraw 1000 crore NCD, means non-convertible debenture, to raise funds from the market. They have dismissed on 7th of May because of tight liquidity position in the country. They can manage it on their own. So I think we should start adding huge, not as a preferred bet, just like a lucky champ. It will going to be the multi-bagger, means at least threefold return in 1.5 years, as of my view. Thank you very much.